Good morning, sir. My name is Nishant Badiwal. I am a student of mechanical engineering. Today is I am going to discuss about the gear. This is my seminar presentation topic. In this presentation, I have discussed working of gear, different type and its designing. What is gear? The gear is a transmission system to transmit the energy one shaft to another shaft. Power transmission is movement of energy from its place of generation to a location where it is applied. A gear is a component within a transmission device that transmits rotation force to another gear on the device. Type of gear. According to the position of axis of the shaft, they are classified in three types: parallel gear, intersecting gear, non-intersecting and non-parallel gear. The parallel gear are sub-classified in four types: spur gear, helical gear, Harman gear, rock and pinion gear. Intersection gear are classified in one type: bevel gear. Non-intersecting and non-parallel gear are classified in one type: worm and worm gear. In detail discuss about this type of gear. First type of spur gear. In this type of gear, the teeth is parallel to axis of rotation. Power transmits one shaft to another shaft. This right hand side, this figure A and figure A shaft and B shaft. The A shaft rotates clockwise and B shaft rotates anti-clockwise direction and it parallel to each other. A shaft is called driven shaft and B shaft is called driven shaft. Use Use is this gear electric vehicle and electric motor and washing machine etc. is the use of spur gear. In this figure show in A and B parallel to each other, and in second figure A is driven shaft and B is driven shaft and is combined to each other. Helical gear. Helical gear is basically the teeth of helical gear are cut an angle to the face of the gear. This is rotation smoothly, quickly and component are then to spur gear. Using इसका using automobile box because it provide less noise. This is diagram of the helical gear. The cut angle of the smoothly and less noise to be provided. Herbal gear. It is a special type of double helical gear. It is a special type of gear. It is a slide to slide combination of the two helical gear of opposite hand. Helical gear are mostly used on the heavy machinery. Rack and pinion gear. Rack and pinion gear are used to convert rotation into linear motion. A perfect example of the gear are steering system on many cars. Bevel gear. Bevel gear are used when the direction of a shaft rotate need to be changes. The teeth on bevel gear can be strong, prone and hypoid. It is used to locomotive, automobile sector and cooling tower, power plants and etc. Worm and worm gear. Worm gear is a cylindrical gear with a shaft to be provided on the teeth of the energy. The worm and worm gear are the type of non-intersecting parallel and axis conformation. This gear ratio of this worm and worm gear -1 to 1. Worm and worm gear can easily turn the gear, but the gear cannot turn the worm. This is the figure of worm and worm gear. Gear trains. Gear trains is two or more gear working together by meshing with teeth and turning each other in a system to generate power and speed. This is reduce speed and increase torque. Electric motion and use with the gear system to reduce the spin and increase the torque. Type of gear trains. They are classified in three types: simple gear train, compounding gear train and plated gear train. Simple gear train. This is the most common of the gear train is the gear pair connecting parallel shaft. The teeth of the type can be spur, helical and Hannibal gear. Only one gear may rotate about a single axis. These are figure of simple gear train. In this first shaft they rotate clockwise and second are rotate anti-clockwise. This is third rotate clockwise and fourth are rotate anti-clockwise. This is the scenario of the simple gear train. Compounding gear train. For large velocity compounding arrangement is preferred. Two or more gear may be rotated about a single axis. In figure, this first is driven shaft and second one is big driven to compound the third driven shaft in the together. To represent the seminar, hope you like this. Thank you so much, sir.